man himself.
It's one of a kind. It's the only one like it.
This truly is one of one with a great documented history.
This Cobra is so significant in so many ways. It represents really what was driving Carroll Shelby back in the day. It represents something so special. And for me, for Barrett-Jackson, Craig and I being Shelby guys, we love all cars, but we have a soft spot in our heart for Shelby's particularly.
The 1966 427 Super Snake. This car started life as a comp car. It was shipped to Europe. 3015, the Super Snake, and 3014 and two GT350Rs also went on a promotional tour to Europe, came back at the end of 1966 after winning Le Mans.
427 Cobra, how good does it get? Well, it's an SC, that's better. Well, can it get better than that? It's a comp car. Well, can it get better than that? Well, let's make it into a hybrid that's never been done before. Let's take the 427, let's take it back to SC specs so I can put a plate on it and drive on the streets. And while we're at it, let's supercharge it. No matter of fact, let's supercharge it with two blowers. All of these innovating, incredible things that you look at when you're looking and observing this car, you think about, that's Carroll Shelby's mind at work.
The true Shelby. So it's a special car.
His friend and former attorney used to drive up to Tahoe, and he was driving a regular Cobra, and at high altitudes, Stan's Ferrari would start leaving him. 1966, 1967, Carroll just beat Ferrari at Le Mans, and he did not like a Ferrari beating him on the street. So he went back to Shelby America and told him, take that car, 3015, make it my car. Take out the 4-speed, put in an automatic transmission, add two blowers to it, and that is where the Super Snake was born. And as Stan Mullen said, the car at 140 miles an hour just exploded.
Let's do something that looks good on paper and make it happen in real life. That's what Carroll did, and that's what the Super Snake embodies. Something that transcends the sum of the parts. It's legendary. It rolled into the auction block with a police escort. It rolled up on the auction block to be sold. Carroll Shelby up there anticipating, probably one of the most excited guys in the room, sharing the stories with Craig and I behind the scenes of him driving the car, going through the roads of Nevada, going through towns, waking people up with the loud mufflers, throwing a belt, belching a fire or two along the way. I mean, that was the legend of the Super Snake, and to hear it from the mouth of the man himself, his butt sat in that seat with his hands on that steering wheel and lived those moments. So everyone that touches that car and lives through that car vicariously owns those memories.
In 2007, when we sold the car for the first time, having Carroll Shelby up there on the auction block with us, telling us all the stories of when he used to run it across Nevada.
Got stopped doing 190 miles an hour in Nevada, and it would do just a little over 3 seconds of 60, 45 years ago.
Only at Barrett-Jackson does that history live and breathe, because we did it once, we did it twice, and now we're selling it for the third time. That's an honor, a privilege, and one of those moments that you really can't explain how significant that is to us.
It's got a bulletproof provenance, one of the greatest Cobras of all times. It's coming to Scottsdale with a great selection of Shelbys.
You're buying history. You can only buy it at Barrett-Jackson. It's an honor. It's a privilege. It's something we look forward to. It's something that we're blessed to be a part of. I can't wait to see it rumble across that stage one more time and rock the world.
If you want to buy a great Shelby, if you want to buy one that's the cherry on top, the Super Snake, make it to Scottsdale 2021 in March. You can register to bid at Barrett-jackson.com. You can bid online, you can bid by phone. Don't miss the opportunity to own one of the greatest Cobras on the planet.